Welcome to drop of the day number 4. I do not feel like making this. I am not in a good mood today. Let's do this. I was really sad this morning and now I'm just fucking mad because I'm sad. So, I'm gonna make something really fucking annoyingly fucking angry. You know what I fucking hate? Fucking serum. I fucking hate this piece of shit. Fuck. I don't even fucking know what to make. Okay, that's gonna be that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a fucking Combs filter because it's the only fucking filter that sounds cool on this piece of shit. Okay, I gotta sidechain this shit, man. Why isn't there a fucking easier way to sidechain? Why the fuck do I always have to do this? Alright, I'm gonna fucking saturate this with some Saturn. Just gonna put that as like a way of making, like, this whole shit's fucking really distorted, so the reason why I'm trying this, I don't know if it's gonna sound good, okay? Fuck, I'm sorry guys, I'm just fucking annoyed by this whole fucking goddamn mood shit, like emotions and feelings. Fuck. I'm putting this because it's a lot cleaner than the distorted shit that I'm doing right now, so it's gonna give it some contrast, I think, I hope. I'm gonna put a delay on it. Oh, I don't know what I just did there, but that was cool, so that's what I'm gonna do. Here's what we'll do. We'll fucking put this on stretch, and then create automation clip, and then this one's gonna be 2 notes lower. And also, what I was doing here is I put a fucking Pro L limiter, raising up the volume, basically. Okay, I want this to be lower. I want 5 notes now, and then just okay, this shit needs to fucking crash so that it doesn't sound like shit when it drops, so it actually has some fucking release or something, you know? Still want to keep that part empty, 'cause I feel like it's kind of dope. Something fire needs to go there. I want to do like something fucking smooth, man. Can you? Right, that's kind of dope. Okay, so this one's gonna go on a separate channel because I want this one to actually have a little bit of a reverb tail. So maybe these fucking hats are not. Oh, What is that? That's kind of cool. We'll find a place for that somewhere. Actually, I still want this to sidechain. Let's see what happens if I put it in the same shit. Alright, let's see what happens if I put... Yeah, I just want the hi-hats to kind of fill in that white noise part, because I feel like it's kind of sick. Alright, let's see what happens if I also do this to the fucking... Alright, I fucking hate that white noise. It's so fucking loud, it's like really annoying. I'm gonna use Pro Q. If you don't have this, I'm sorry. I know this shit's expensive. You know what I could do actually is just turn down the fucking shit from here. Actually, fuck that. Let's just shorten it from here with the MIDI. I think we could add a little bit more rides in here. Maybe on the claps. Alright, now I just want something like to give it some tension. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna use some. So this is literally my voice. That waveform right there is my fucking mouth making the sound joy. Alright, whatever. I don't know. Ow! It hurts my fucking ear, man. Let's and then fucking put a LFO2 with the fucking global tune. So it's just gonna pitch that bitch up like fucking super slow. I wanna actually have like no fucking low end on this at all, so let me just... I don't know why the fuck that shit starts so goddamn low, so I'm gonna bring this up. And then we're gonna put some Valhalla rooms so like we could sit this shit way in the back like that. And then just fucking just pray. Just pray. Just get on your fucking knees and pray that this sounds fucking good, man, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I want this to be faster. Alright, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to consolidate them bitches. Alright, consolidate. Hurry up. Now that it's consolidated, I'm going to go to fucking this shit. We're going to go to 12 because, I don't know. I'm guessing that's going to sound sick. And then fucking pitch this shit up 12, man. And this next one, we're actually make it go from super low to normal. We'll route it to another channel and then we're going to put a fucking stereo something on it. So that way we can stereoize it and it just sounds sicker. I think it'd be sick if I automate the cutoff just a little bit. Just a little bit, man. Just like... Alright, before we listen to this final motherfucking product, I just want to thank you guys for watching it or getting this fucking far with my bad mood. I'm sorry. Sometimes, some days aren't just that fucking great, and I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like I'm fucking happy, because I'm not right now. I actually feel a little better because this fucking drop's kind of fire, but still, I'm still mad. Make sure you hit the fucking like button, share this with your friends. I'm trying to stay away from comments because some of you guys are really fucking mean. Yeah, if you want to reach me and if you want to leave some ideas, make sure you join the Discord server. I'll be checking that out a little bit more than the comments from now on. Let's listen to this final thing. Don't forget, if you want to get these sounds, all of these samples are coming from my new sample pack, High Energy, available at Threat Collective and is on sale right now. That's going to be it for today's video. As always, if you want this project, consider becoming a Patreon. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.